Ramzi from Mrs. Kaminar's app development class. Today I'll be showing you how to make a UI date picker and sending it into a text field. So first you want to create a text field on your storyboard and put it in the top middle-ish. Then you connect it above your view to load and call it whatever text field you want, which makes sense. Then we want to make a variable called let date picker equal UI date picker. Okay, and then we start into our actual code. We want to start off by saying create date picker for the function we're about to make. Then we're going to call the function create date picker because this is where we create the date picker. Alright, now we start off with another variable for our toolbar. We want this to equal a UI toolbar. And then we want to make sure our toolbar fits our screen, so we press or type size to fit. Now we want to create our done button, which is going to allow us to print whatever date we pick into the text field. So we print let done button equal UI bar button item, and select the second one that's down. Let me make this easier. Okay, and then for our system item, we want dot done. Our target is going to be nil because we don't have one. And our action will be called done pressed, and that will be the name of our function that we'll create later. And we're putting selector here because our done press function will be in a different domain, so we need this to identify it. Alright, next we're going to call our text field and input accessory view, and we want our accessory view to be our toolbar. And we want to call up our text field again. Now we want to input a view, and our view is going to be the date picker. And now we call up our date picker, and we want it the date picker mode to equal dot date. And that's all for that function. And again, this error is because we didn't define what done press is in the function that we're about to create. Okay. So first we want to start off our function with @objc because this thing is calling our selector because it's in a different domain. So we're going to name it done pressed as we have up there. Now we're going to make another variable called let formatter, not doormat, formatter equal date formatter. And we want the date style to equal dot medium, and our time style, oh my gosh, and our time style to equal none. Okay, next we want to call up our text field again. This is where we have the text field say what the date we picked is. So this is allowing it to show the date. Okay. Now we call up our text field one more time. And our text. This is so it says our date picker and our date. And then we want our self.view to end editing. And we want the bool to be true. Alright. Then this will pop up. Oh, why didn't my... Oh, I forgot to add something in. This is so we can actually see the done button. And then we want this to be true. Yeah, so we didn't actually create the done button. We created the code for it, but not the button itself. So there we go. Now it should work. And you can click any date you want, and you click done, and the date and the time will show up right here.